Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to join multiple video clips in one full video clip. You can do that really easily using QuickTime, which is the video player that comes with any Apple computer. So say you have these three right here. Let's say you open the first clip you want to start with is trees. I've already opened that here in QuickTime, and this is the video clip, and I want to add those other two to it. All you do is go to Edit and Add Clip to End, and don't worry, you'll be able to change where you want to put the clip, but let's say we'll add snow next. That's now added to the end of this clip, and you can kind of see what it looks like before you finalize it by pressing play. So like that, it'll look like that when it's joined. Also, if it's, let's say it's in the middle of the clip, you want to just go to the transition, you can just click on the little red indicator here, and you can drag that around to where you want to start watching the clip, or just if you just want to see what the transition looks like that. And then let's say we want to add another clip to it. Same thing, except this time you've got insert clip after selection. So it's saying that because this is selected. If you don't want it, if you want it to just go right to the end, then click off of one of the clips and add clip to end again like that. But in this case, let's just try it like this. Let's say I have this selected, insert clip after selection. So that means it'll be coming at the end there. We'll do horses in this case. And now that's added to the mix here. You can also reorder this however you want. I can move the horses clip to the middle by just clicking it and dragging it over. But I'm going to put it near the end. And you can also delete a clip out of here if you decide you don't want it in the mix. So let's say we don't want the snow clip in here. I have that selected. You just click on it, and you can just hit delete on your keyboard, and it's gone. Or let's say I don't want the horses one in there. Delete, it's gone. Another thing you can do is you can add more than one clip at the same time. So let's just go back to add clip to end. You can just select both clips. Let's say we select snow and horses, choose media, and now they're both back in there. And also, let's say we did the thing where, say you want to insert a clip in the middle of it. Well, aside from just dragging things around after you put it in, you can select the clip that you want it to go after. So in this case, the trees clip, and then insert clip after selection like we did last time. But this time when we do snow, it will go in the middle because it was after the one that was selected. Anyway, once you're done compiling all the clips, you just click done, and this should all be one video clip. So let's see what this, you want to kind of proof watch it. So you press play and you can see how this all fits together. Okay, and so once we're done and satisfied with how that's all compiled, you can go to File and then Export As, and we'll do 1080p for this one. And we'll just call this Final. And save it, and it will take a little bit of a moment here to export. And then now if we go to Finder, we can see the final movie here. We can double click it to open it in QuickTime. It should do that automatically. And as for the project file, we can almost kind of call this almost a project file in a way. We can get rid of this at this point. So we can just click off of it, and we don't really need to. We've already exported it, so we can just delete it. And this is the final movie here. We'll watch it again just to make sure everything is correct. Again, you can use QuickTime almost, like a video editing program, but it's just very, very basic stuff. But that's the nifty thing about QuickTime. And you can kind of rearrange the order of the clips like I showed you, and you can trim clips, but that's explained in a different video. So you can check that out on this channel. And that's it.